you're a Star Wars fan and you want to 3D print your own Yoda, baby Yoda that is, or you like the Tesla Cybertruck and you don't want to wait on it to have it one yourself. Coming up on Zachary 3D prints. So like mentioned in the intro, today we are going to 3D print our own baby Yoda. Look how cute he looks like. And because of Christmas I took the model with the Santa Claus hat on. And also the Cybertruck. I heard from some sites that the Cybertruck will be available in 2021 or 2022 even that. I don't want to wait on that because I like the Cybertruck and I want to have a model that I can feel and can see and can touch as well. And so I 3D printed myself. I will put the links from those two models in the description of this video. Big shout out to the people that made those models. I'm not that far that I can make something like this. There we have some 3D artists in the world that made these kind of awesome things. But now I'll show you what I saw when I came back home. Wow, would you look at that? Tesla meets Baby Yoda. So these models you can find on Thingiverse. I will put the links in the description of the Cybertruck and the Baby Yoda. In my case, and because also of the time, I print them together. And it's easy to do. It's not that difficult, but you need to pay attention to where your print is going to land, because I didn't saw that the print was too close to the edge, and so I had to remove one clip. So this is the result of the printing with two different kind of models on one building plate. As you can see, a little bit overhang because of the bridging, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem. Also removing the supports, we are going to show in a minute how this supports is going to remove. Also with the little baby Yoda, whoop, oh wow, that was already one support. Here you can also see, because of a little bit missing of the support there, it's a little bit catchy, but let's clean this little model up. So also, as you could see in the other video, you can see that I used a little skirt. You can also use a brim so that everything is supported, and also this support was quite easily to remove, but you have to be careful. This can, because this is just on the building plate, this can just fall away and this part is going to fail. So if you print a bigger Baby Yoda, then try to use a brim and supports with those overhangs. Further, it looks amazing on my desk. Now we are going to remove the supports here, and I know what you might think. This is going to be very difficult to remove. Let's go into the time lapse. So as you could see, it's very easy to just snap that part off, but you have to be careful sometimes it can happen that some parts are still stuck. Then you take your little tweezers and you cut a little bit support away. But that, I think you will manage that very good. So little support here, just little pieces, and the supports of Baby Yoda coming off. So that being said, when you want to have something nice to do with the Christmas holidays or something else and you have some time left to do this, then go ahead to Great Models. I will put, like I mentioned, the links in the description of the Thingiverse models. I need to mention that for the Cybertruck there are some other models in the same file. I took the one part, but you can also take several parts and go even bigger than this, because I kept it small because I could print them in the same batch. So that being said, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to Zachary 3D Prints, and I will see you next time. Happy 3D printing, Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.